In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that blurred home screen wallpaper effect on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and as you can see on the lock screen, the image is clear, and on the home screen it's blurry. This is not a bug, this is a feature of iOS 16, and let me show you how you can easily enable or disable that blur effect to the home screen wallpaper. So first, just swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up the lock screen, where you should just hold down your finger until Customize feature comes up. Then just tap at Customize and select Home Screen, and that's where you can enable or disable that blur feature. Now this icon is highlighted with blue, that means that this feature is active now. You can toggle it off simply by hitting at that icon, and in the same way you can enable it, just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.